Body, body, head, AR, 3 shots. Transition to pistol. Body, body, head with pistol. Put on safe. Reload. I will call the reload. I will call shooting. We'll go again. We're going 3 times. Alright? Load and make ready.
Loading pistol as well?
Yes. Loading pistol as well.
Oh shit.
Right around.
Hold. Tactical reload. Alright, shooters ready?
Shooters ready.
Go.
Gun, gun, gun. Shooters ready.
Gun, gun, gun.
Gun, gun, gun.
Tactical reload. Last one. Last one.
Just a little bit more, add more left on the head. Alright, and that's doing great.
Gun, gun, gun.
Gun, gun,
Good.
Damn, and I was crouching more.
I saw, I know. Set up. Where now, where's your target? Where's your...
On his head.
Where's your... No, not over right. Now where is it? Now where is it?
Above the target.
That's what you need.
So it's okay.
Go ahead and shoot out the rifle. You're about to shoot. Where's your shot at right now?
Right in the throat.
Right in his throat? Now where is it?
That was the top of the target. Top of the bar. That's the bar.
So now you're straight. Before I put your hand, you were like right there, a little low.
Alright, because I thought I was holding right there at the top of his head.
Were you?
Yeah.
I mean, it's so minusculely off, like it's a very small off.
Okay.
So it could just be the recoil.
Maybe.
Maybe, but other than that,
Alright.
you have really great grouping there on that upper part and that lower. Really good. Good job.
Awesome.
Right?
Augie, what the fuck? Ah! Come on, he has no throw. Oh yeah, wait, I got this. Oh, you almost got him. I got the ground. Oh my God, transition. Okay? So go ahead and demonstrate. What you're gonna notice is as the gun's coming down, he's already reaching with the pistol hand to come up.
Alright? So what's important here is the clean draw. Okay? Remember we talked about cowboying where people do that shit? It's gotta come up straight and punch out.
So support hand, right? I'm done. Put it on safe. Pull it out. Round down. As I'm doing that, my strong hand is going for my sidearm. Coming up. Firing. It's gonna take a long ass time to get that done. I still practice it every day when I can. It's that half second to a second. If you ever have a malfunction, where you can't do a tactical reload time, but you gotta transition, one half second can save your ass. Hardcore.
So we want to look. What's up?
You want to say time without even?
No, I'm gonna let y'all. I'm just letting you give them the extra pointers because y'all gotta work on it. I'm gonna go over this pack. Okay. So what we want to look for is that clean transition. Okay. And try to, if it even means slowing down your manipulation of the rifle so that you can do both movements, go ahead and do it. We're just doing the 3 and 3 to warm up. It's something to start focusing on so you can start practicing. Okay? So let's screw up the line about right here. Screw up a little bit, Alex. Right there. So, shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
Okay, with the magazine of 3 rounds, go ahead and load them up ready. Gun, gun, gun!
Gun, gun, gun!
My bad, Alex, I thought you were ready. That's okay, we got 2 more magazines used, right? Yeah. Okay.
Oh no, I only did one.
Oh,
man.
Here you go, battle buddy.
Sir?
Boom. Hey, this is why we do the 3 and 3, right? To work through some of this jitters.
Yeah.
And we got little groups today. Alright. Everybody ready? Shooters with the magazine of 3 rounds, go ahead and load and make ready. Are all my shooters ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Okay, shooters! Gun, gun, gun!
Gun, gun, gun!
Remember that. What are you shooting? Oh, I don't got those, man. You're dead. You're dead.
I thought we were doing it once and then we were going to go through all 3.
Very hard.
I know.
Commander Reyes of the Doodah video. One, 2, 7. Regret me for you, Rexy. One was killed in
Oh, no, it's not good.
Ooh, there was one in there.
Yeah, because I didn't have 3 mags with 3.
Oh,
I had 1 mag with 3.
3 and 3. Okay, here you go. Okay, shooter. shooters, do we understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, with the magazine of 3 rounds, go ahead and load and make ready. All my shooters ready.
Shooters ready.
All my command. Fire 3 rounds out of each magazine. You're going to do your transition. Don't forget to reload in between. You understand?
Yes.
Gun, gun, gun.
Gun, gun, gun.
And your reloads are quick. Really quick. Okay, cool. Just real quick. Go. The only thing I didn't like is on your reload.
Yeah.
You're taking it out of the pocket. You're having to put the before you put it back in the pocket. Don't let it pop up.
I'm left-handed. I can't reach around with the other hand. Yeah.
So like these mag changes, probably I'll sit off watching them. But I figured what it is you gotta manipulate the gun with the other hand.
Absolutely.
You guys are good and smooth. Let's remember when we're changing those magazines, try to keep it in the pocket. If you gotta rotate a little bit, it's fine, but don't do this. You wanna keep it really close to fight all the time. Julio! Right here.
Grab it.
Right here. Are you gonna go or me now?
No, you're gonna go. Go. The drill is 2 body shots to your left target. Move to your right target. 2 body shots to the right target.
boom.
Move left target headshot. Right target headshot. And then you're gonna put your weapon on safe.
Boom.
Yep. So how it's gonna be. Alright. Let me make ready. Who's ready? Gun, gun, gun! Good. Reload. Shooters ready?
You ready?
Gun, gun, gun! Okay. Alright, last one. Make sure we are getting center mass on body and we're getting right there in that fucking temple. Alright, last one. Go to make ready. Ready. Gun. Okay. Your weapon. That's it.
a lot better. You know, you're a little bit off more, but you're moving a little bit better.
That's a good man.
I'm just trying to get my whole.
Not bad, not bad.
For my 4-axis, I got to hold a little higher.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I'm holding it right here.
Yeah, right here. Okay. Sneaked him right there. Probably got him.
That's a vein shot. Right
Yeah,
there.
but you got him good here, so we're good there. Yeah. Nice.
Cool.
So I would just recommend hand stop, obviously, because I think that's what's getting that lower recess, right? So when you're coming up and you're not having something.
That's the first thing you do when you get home.
I know, I can't fucking wait on that. So if I'm shooting, I can go recoil, so on my side, you can go shot. So when it sees me going lower, it's because it's going lower. I have no lower. So, this is it.
Okay.
Quick fix. Alright, now look at the camera, shoot! Are you ready?
Ready. Gun. Gun.
Want to make ready? Last time. Shoot,
Ready.
Gun.
Gun.
Jamming a little low every time.
Low.
A little low every
Yeah,
time.
because I think my knot is sighted in further back.
Yeah. So like every time you look like you're right there, but you're here, right here every time.
Okay.
Same with the head. Bring it up just a tad.
Bring it up a
I
tad.
think what you're doing is you're anticipating too much of that recoil because you're kind of like, you know what I mean? You're throwing too much shoulder weight.
So leave it.
So put your gun down. Now set up like you're about to shoot. Put your gun down now. So. Bite me. Now a little bit less. 60%. And then another thing is you're pushing. If I'm pulling back and my shoulder's fine, I don't have a safe shot. If I'm pushing forward and my hand's not coming back.
Oh, I see. Like
So,
this, right? Like,
yeah, exactly. So if I'm punching out, punching in, right? I'm pulling, pushing. So no matter what, right now, it's steady. It's surgical steady. But if I relax my shoulder, moving. If I push my shoulder in, relax my hand, moving.
So push shoulder out.
Push and pull. Push out, pull in with your forehand. Yep. Yeah. There. Because you're like this. Okay. Always bring your
Maybe
gun.
squat a little bit more.
I'll say,
some power.
always bring gun up to the eye, never bring your eye to the gun.
Okay.
I was about to get a shot, I was like, what the fuck, dude? Why am I really doing
It's because I'm tall, man. I had to.
Yeah. You're too tall. You need a bigger gun. Longer gun.
I need to squat a little bit.
Bag.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, he's gonna do it real quick. Daddy wants that fun.
Oh, put my ears on.
Cheers!
You want me to record you or no?
Yeah.
He's running. I'm running here.
All right, so you want me to call it?
Sure, why not?
Shooter ready?
Ready?
Gun.
Alright.
your gun.
That's why.
I loaded him wrong.
Womp, 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 womp,
I was like,
womp.
fuck.
Yeah, I was
I
like,
loaded 3 and he told me.
that sounds like two.